Vegetarian comfort food dish with a meat-based filling. The earthy flavor of the lentils pairs well with the rich and savory flavor of the ground beef. Grilled chicken with quinoa salad. This is a great combination of a protein-rich meat dish with a nutrient-dense vegetarian side dish. The nutty flavor of the quinoa complements the smoky flavor of the grilled chicken, while the addition of fresh herbs and citrus adds brightness and freshness to the dish. Roasted vegetable lasagna with Italian sausage. This is a classic combination of a vegetarian lasagna with a meat-based sauce. The sweetness of the roasted vegetables pairs well with the spicy and savory flavor of the Italian sausage. Thai curry with tofu and chicken. This is a great combination of a vegetarian protein source with a meat-based protein source. The creamy and spicy flavor of the curry complements both the tender texture of the tofu and the hearty texture of the chicken. Conclusion: combining vegetarian and meat dishes can create a more balanced and nutritionally complete meal while also introducing exciting flavor combinations. When combining these dishes, it is important to consider the protein sources, use complementary flavors, balance textures, and don't forget the sauces. By following these tips and exploring different dish combinations, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that appeal to both vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or cooking a meal at home, the interaction between vegetarian and meat dishes can add diversity and complexity to your culinary repertoire. So, don't be afraid to experiment and explore the endless possibilities of combining vegetarian and meat dishes. Interaction between vegetarian and meat dishes. Cooking delicious vegetarian dishes and pairing them with meat-based meals requires some skill and creativity. When done right, mixing the two can result in complementary flavors that elevate both types of cuisine. This article discusses the principles behind successfully combining vegetarian and meat-based dishes. Flavor profiles. Vegetarian dishes often rely on fresh herbs, spices, and balanced use of sweet and sour notes for flavor. Meat dishes tend to use more salt and fat to flavor the proteins. Cooking techniques like grilling, roasting, and smoking also influence meat flavors. When pairing the two, consider matching complementary flavor profiles. For example, pairing an Indian curry with chicken tikka masala or Italian eggplant parmesan with sausage lasagna. The spicy, savory vegetarian dishes go well with richer meat options using similar spice blends and herbs. Texture and mouthfeel. Texturally diverse options can provide an appealing balance on the plate. Crispy and crunchy components such as fried foods, gratins, and root vegetables paired with soft and tender braised meats create contrast. Like mixing textures in a vegetarian meal, pairing soft beans or rice with grilled proteins achieves contrast. Acidity and fat content. Vegetarian dishes made with ingredients like lemon juice, tomatoes, and vinegar tend to be more acidic than meat-based options. This acidity can balance the richness from added fats and oils in meat dishes. By contrast, braised meats made with wine and acidic ingredients work well with mashed potatoes, root vegetables, and grains. For an evenly balanced meal, create a ratio of 1 part acidic vegetarian component to 3 or more parts neutral or rich meat-based components. Or vice versa.